thank you so much for giving this opportunity and believing in me that I can be the part of this community so beautifully and giving us the responsibility in so many ways which we never ever thought about. I have joined you in the I think 2021, 2022 as starting with the DMP, and most probably I have joined for the emotionally my health and my relationships,
Okay.
which I am going very very low in both of that. Because of the so many past journey of my life regarding the leaving the corporate job, then leave everything, come to the new country, and then I was enjoying. Well, last starting 2 years was very like a very queen kind life. I'm living ki I'm going to this place, that place, LA, all also अच्छा चल रहा था. But one point of time, my energy got drastically low
Okay.
because of ki what I am doing. There is no satisfaction, no nothing. I have started a new journey of my life, like in the 40s, where I have started in my low hemoglobin, admitted to doctors and everything, where no one is finding out what exactly is happening into my body.
Okay.
So that time I've started working on that. But after platinum, when I've joined, especially with the advanced AOLA taking charge of my frequency, I've admitted a doctor at hospital, and they told I have an endometriosis inside where they want to operate it. I did the Ho'oponopono and the frequency balancing where I manifested even next test will happen, this will not, endometriosis will not be there. So I've changed the doctor, and when I went to the next doctor, she did the scanning. She told nothing is there. You just take the iron and vitamin D.
So you
I
can say
skipped
that
that.
your health was really bad and that got completely vanished with hope. No, no.
Yeah, Ho'oponopono. And when I'd gone for scanning, when she was taking scanning, तो I was thinking, oh कुछ नहीं है, यूट्रस तो इतना क्लियर है, ऊपर से क्रिस्टल क्लियर दिख रहा है उनको, वो दिख रहा है. जब वो रिपोर्ट लेके आए, there is nothing. Who told you you have this? Just you take vitamin D, you have iron deficiency and all. So take iron deficiency and vitamin, that's you good to go. First of all, relationship with myself, yeah, I have ignored so much. I have not taken care of I was stopped taking care of myself because taking self care, everything. But I started loving myself first before curing the other relationship. I start loving myself, start coming to the same area where I always look beautiful, always maintain at home and all. And now they're giving कि शादी में जा रही है क्या तैयार क्यों हुई है? It's my choice ना मैं क्यों तैयार हुई हूँ?
Agree.
So that started. Money is I think about the money. Money comes. Money तो हमेशा आती थी मेरे पास. मेरे पास मनी की कोई कमी नहीं थी. वो आती
Keep
रहती
this
थी. आज
belief. Keep this belief. It's a very good belief.
अब मेरा जो needs है ना मैम, आई हैव रिटन लव. पहले सर्विंग एंड कंट्रीब्यूशन फर्स्ट था लास्ट ईयर तक. अब मैंने चेंज करके लव एंड कनेक्शन फर्स्ट कर दिया है. लव एंड कनेक्शन, देन ग्रोथ, चेंज, एंड देन मेरा सर्विंग आता है. बट सर्विंग इन सच ए वे इज अनकंडीशनल कि I have affirmed that कि whoever come and just speak for 5 minutes, they get healed. और वैसा ही होता है.
Nice.
And I had written my book, which I have never thought कि मैं लिखूंगी कभी अपनी जिंदगी में बुक.
The
कि
power
और
of saying right. अरे वाह.
मितेश सर हमेशा बोलते थे कि बुक लिखो बुक लिखो लिखो. ये 3 साल के बाद लिखी है मैंने. दिस मंथ मैंने लाइफ कोचिंग को मिला के और जो मुझे पैसे मिले हैं ऑलमोस्ट जो आए हैं इस साल मुझे 12 लाख रुपए मुझे मिले हैं
Wow.
ओवरऑल टोटल.
Superb.
और वो भी सिर्फ मैंने आई थिंक मई में एक सेशन लिया होगा और अभी थोड़ा, और एक मेरा ऑन द वे है, वो आज कल तक कंफर्म हो जाएगा. तो ये मेरा जर्नी है और थैंक यू सो
Amazing.
मच. बिकॉज मेरे को
Yes.
याद है मेरे सर हमेशा बोलते थे, यू टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ योर डेस्टिनी, you must take control of your genie inside you.
Yes. That's
So
right.
that genie is inside me. I've taken charge. So if you love yourself, if you want that everything should be perfect in every area of your life, which is only you, when you raise your frequency. Frequency is nothing but to love yourself and love around you. So you must join the platinum because platinum will give you every tools which will help you in every day. It's not every day, every second of your life to implement with full of love, happiness, and prosperity.
Amazing.
Thank you,
Thank you
thank
so
you,
much.
thank you.